I guarantee you, this is the weirdest way to cook pizza outdoor you ever imagined. This is the truth of great cooking. No oven, no special kitchenware, and no complex instructions. Just a craving for something top tier and the will to make it happen. Stay with me until the very end to see the result of the experiment. It's going to be mind-blowing. I prepare high hydration dough at 65%. That means for every 100 parts of flour, I add 65 parts of water. Today I'm using dry yeast. Just follow the instruction on the pack. Right into flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And mix. It's a simple, convenient and flawless ratio. 2/3 water to weight of the flour. I grease my hands with olive oil. And add some right into the dough. And some on the table. Now we knead. You want to work it until it reaches a smooth consistency, about 9-10 minutes. It's a great workout. Now it's kneaded. We move it into a warm place, cover with plastic wrap. And wait for it to double in size. Generally, for an artisanal pizza secret, you'd ferment this in the fridge for 20 hours or 48 hours to get that majestic thin stretch. But I don't have that much time and we aren't making a thin crust here. My son and I love it hearty, like a soft, rich bun. While the dough rises, hit the subscribe button. I love this dish because it's a canvas for experiment. Now the most critical part, the primitive cooking side. Where is my shovel? We can bake anywhere we like. That's the whole point. I'm digging a pit about half a foot deeply, roughly 15-20 centimeters. The shape matches the pizza, but with a bit of extra margin. My medium pit-sized oven is ready in a minute. Perfect. Let's fire it up. We need enough coals to fill the pit halfway. I'm using wood from garden trimming because store-bought charcoal can be too aggressive and burn the bottom. You also need a lid. My sheet metal plate is an absolute win. Now the foil packed pizza hack. We use 2 layers of foil on a plate as a safety shield against the high heat. Sprinkle enough flour. The dough is perfect. Press from center to edges. We're topping it with mozzarella, tomato sauce, mushroom, fresh basil, black olives. I slice mushroom. Cut olives in half. Slice mozzarella. The base is ready. Spread the tomato sauce. Add a mushroom. And olives. Fresh basil leaves. And mozzarella. Looks appetizing. Now we join the edges of the foil into umbrella. This is a pro campfire baking tip to keep dust and ash away. Let's take it to the fire. The embers are just right. And it goes. Let it on and wait for 30-35 minutes. Done. Let's check this out. If the crust is brownish and feels crunchy, pizza is ready. Usually it takes around 30 minutes. Mine is definitely done. Look at that. That's puffy. It's mind blowing. This is awesome. The smoky aroma and crispy crust. That's exactly what I love. Now you know how to master outdoor cuisine with nothing but a shovel. Join my channel. I'll always find a way to make cooking anything but boring. Done.